Hello, today we're looking at Ubuntu Budgie 17.04 Final Beta, and this is the login screen. Let's see, the only desktop environment pre-installed is the Budgie desktop as expected, but there are a place where you can install more if it's working. In the previous releases, I tried to install different desktop interfaces, but I couldn't. So, yeah, if you're logging in for the first time into Ubuntu Budgie, you will see like a welcome screen pop up. I'm not sure if I'll do it on this time because I've already opened up this system, so it's the first time I'm probably looking at it, but I've already updated, opened it up just to see if it's fully up to date. There was no code. So let's just open up the welcome ourselves. It's a slightly more bigger welcome app than the one that pops up. It's like just the things a person needs to start off with, and this is the more complete one. Let's just wait for it to start up. Here we come. And I think it's a very good place to start. As you can see, it looks beautiful and clear. You can't maximize this, but I love this. I love this welcome app. It's not overwhelming. It's not just links, to like different websites. It's all integrated. It's all simple to understand. It's all clear. It's not bulky. It is just awesome. Yeah. Getting started. This is what you will get when you sign into your Budgie system the first time. You will get this page. It will look exactly like this. Then you can check around here for updates. You can check for updates. I've already did it not too long ago, but it's always good so we can always check again. Yeah, we want to see that. Then drivers. So, language input. You can install different languages. You can find more. It's not just 3 languages available. 3 which I don't understand at all. Backups. You can enable backups. Firewall you can enable. You can add users. We'll look at it a bit later on. Performance tuning. Cool. Or you don't have to. Customization. Yes, our settings we can look at a bit later on. Browser wallet. You can just install different browsers here. It's like you see Chromium is pre-installed. Here you go. Let's install Firefox also. Because I'm a fan of free and open source browser, just like Chromium also. And let's keyboard shortcuts, you can check it out here. The penguin is your Windows key. If you were wondering, I don't have a penguin key, what on earth, what button is that? If you're a new user. I'm running it in VirtualBox. It's kernel 4.10. Supports 32 and 64-bit. I'm running with 2 GB of RAM and a 1 core of i5 notebook. And then the software center, let's have a look at the software center. Or let's go to recommendation. So they are using GNOME Software Center, which is expected. let's quickly go back to the recommendations. And you can look at it. Flatpak, you can install Flatpak, Skippy, that's cool. Steam, you can install and configure Steam, Snap packages. Snap is already installed. As it's based on Ubuntu, I would have been shocked if it wasn't already installed. And here's our Software Center, quite responsive, I think. It's 3.22.7, so it's not the latest 3.24, but it's up there. It's a bit slow to respond, so let's keep it there. Default settings, switch appearance. So this is a different desktop environment. I tried it in the past. It didn't work for me. But I'm more than willing to try it again. So let's try this one and see if it will work or not. I always got the error message, I don't know why. I'm always hoping for a miracle. So let's see if it will actually work this time. While it's working here, let's go check the desktop. You can create new folders. Say test 101. Nothing wrong with this current theme, it's absolutely beautiful. Change background. As you can see, it's lots of GNOME awesomeness inside here. Some very nice backgrounds is available here. Let's take this, looks funky. I don't know if the theme will work, but it's worth checking it out. So select. Let's keep the login screen there, it's the same thing. And let's look at this panel menu. Oh no, let's continue here. Open the term mix. Zoom is like a terminal. As you can see, this takes all the effort of the computer out of him. Yeah, I like this operating system. It looks beautiful. I'm sorry if I'm like a bit roundabout everywhere and I'm not like your proper this is all tum. I'm more like all over. And I'm not sure if you like it or not, but I hope you like it. I really hope you do. You can make it bigger. You can make it like a zoom if you want to. I'm okay with no zoom. And behavior. You can add things, you can pull it in there if you don't want it to be there. Pretty cool stuff. And here we got a terminal, you can have it here or you can take it out. The software center is still at the same place. Oh my goodness, let's close it out. There, the files. Beautiful. 3.20. Easy to understand. Yeah. Up. Move it to the side. And you can move it. Like, I don't know if this will work or not. I'm just gonna give it all the time at once. With the hope it will work. the rhythm box is the default music player. I love the Arch theme in any case, so it's already a beautiful operating system. I like it. I can recommend it. I think it's one of the best things out there. Definitely worth a look, and it's the newest flavor of Ubuntu, and it looks so good. It runs LibreOffice 5.3 point something, so you can enable the ribbon interface. So that's cool. And we have Chromium as a default web browser. And the wallpaper also finally changed. Yay! It's normally very responsive. It's just because I'm trying to install the Material Vmux theme. It takes so long. If you are using Ubuntu Budgie already, or you like what you're looking at, then yes, absolutely. I love it because I will continue to look at it until like a long-term release. Easy notifications, very beautiful off button, volume, bed power settings, notifications, and this is very good. Here's a fireplace. Isn't this cool? Isn't it how it should be? An easy way to get to everything on your computer. Network, time, and they even got a calendar. You can see there's a lot of GNOME stuff in this desktop environment, which is not a bad thing. Not a bad thing at all. I like it. You can sync like your Google Calendar and things like that. Here's the menu bar. Love it. The pressed menu, if I have it correctly. And the Firefox we've installed is Office, Science, Sound and Video, System Tools, Administration. Let's look at this. You can report a bug. I put it like a system monitor. Silly me. Here we go. And it's 1.4 gigabytes of RAM, but it's because we are running this at the moment and it takes quite a while. But I'm glad we started at the beginning of the video and not at the end. And let's say settings. Yes, you can see I'm just running with you. I'm just sharing my thoughts along the video. And I hope that's okay with you. I'm really giving this operating system a run for its money. At the moment, as you can see, this is GNOME. Basically, and it looks beautiful. The system settings, language support, you can add languages. You can choose your system's language, notification. Notifications, you can disable all notifications. We don't have to. Sorry if it takes so long, people. I didn't realize when I pressed install the desktop environment, it will take so long. You can add this different online accounts to sync up your calendar and things like that in your drive. You can add your Google account and stuff like that. Privacy, regional language, search. Where do you want to share? Bluetooth. I don't have Bluetooth on the computer. If you want to check your color, if you have a projector or anything, you can add it here, and you can also turn on the night light because they say this makes you sleep better in the evening. So if you want to sleep better, is it finished? Yes, it works. It's working. Wow! I'm sorry for my amazement, but it's the first time it actually worked and I love it. Wow! It's funny that I'm so surprised to see it actually works, but I had very little hope for it to actually work. And now I'm just suddenly loving Ubuntu Budgie much more. Thank you guys. I love all my looks at the current versions of, in general, of like all the flavors. It's something that really in everyone surprised me. And I'm thinking like, wow, this is the one to look at. And this happens. It works as it should work. It's just long, but it works as it should work. I hope that you enjoy my videos. I'm not trying to be somebody different than me. And some people will like it. Most people will not like it. But this is me. And yeah. And I hope you can appreciate it. You can add users. Like a machine, you can add more users. Very cool. Even enterprise logging. Let's quickly go back here because we didn't look at all of them yet. I'm not going to install the other desktop environment also at the moment. I'm pretty sure it's also working. It's just going to take too long. Chat room. Community. You can join and share and laugh. And fall in love and give your support to this. Thank you for your support. Please support them. It's an absolutely awesome place and you can donate to them also. That's awesome. Yeah, that's my look at Ubuntu Budgie 17.04 and I'm absolutely loving it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.